Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay students, in our last class we discussed about petroleum, how petroleum was formed and different constituents of petroleum and its uses. Today we are going to discuss about petrochemicals. Okay, what is meant by petrochemicals? Petrochemical means chemicals are obtained from processing of petroleum and natural gas. Okay, petrochemicals means chemicals are obtained from processing of petroleum and natural gas. Okay, for example, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, acetic acid are obtained from processing of petroleum. Okay, for example, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, acetic acid are obtained from the processing of petroleum. Okay, the next, hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is obtained from processing of natural gas. Okay, hydrogen gas is obtained from processing of natural gas. Okay, all of you clear? Petrochemicals means chemicals are obtained from processing of petroleum and natural gas. Okay, all of you clear? Yes, students, the next uses of petrochemicals. Polyethylene, plastic bags, detergents are obtained from petrochemicals of petroleum. Then, yes, see, polyethylene, plastic bags, detergents are obtained from petrochemicals of petroleum. The next, yes, fertilizers like urea are obtained from hydrogen, which is obtained from natural gas. Okay, fertilizers like urea are obtained from hydrogen, which is obtained from natural gas. Okay, all of you clear? Uses of petrochemicals? Yes. Yes, students, in our last class I asked one question. Why petroleum is called black gold? Yes, petroleum is also very useful and valuable product just like gold. Yes, petroleum is used to produce a number of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, lubricating oil, etc. And many products are also obtained from processing of petroleum called petrochemicals. So it is called black gold because it has a number of commercial importance. Okay, all of you clear why petroleum is called black gold? Yes. That's the next, conservation of fossil fuels. Yes, how to conserve petrol or diesel while driving. Yes, students, in India, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA, gives some tips. Okay, let's see. First one, drive at constant speed. Okay, first one is drive at constant speed. Second one, switch off engine at red light. Switch off engine at red lights. Then third one, ensure air pressure on tire is correct. Okay, ensure air pressure on tire is correct. Then fourth one, ensure regular maintenance of the vehicles. Ensure regular maintenance of the vehicles. Okay, all of you clear how to conserve petrol or diesel while driving? Yes. The next one, natural gas. Yes, we already discussed how natural gas and petroleum was formed. Yes. Natural gas means the gas obtained from under earth, just like petroleum. Okay, natural gas means gas is obtained from under earth, just like petroleum. And natural gas is lighter than petroleum, that's why it's found at the top. Okay, and it is compressed or stored under high pressure as fuel called CNG. Okay, it is compressed. It is compressed or stored under high pressure as fuel called CNG. Here CNG means compact natural gas. Okay, all of you clear? Natural gas. Okay, students, you have one question. What is the full form of PCRA? Okay, students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.